Like sharks, they're excited by blood. A brand new discovery reveals that the dragon has venom, like a snake. As the days pass, the buffalo's wounds don't heal. The dragons sense that the end is near. They must remain wary. The buffalo could still lash out. Dragons lurk around the margins. Gradually, they close in to try and finish it off. The dragon's strategy is certainly merciless, but it is the only way that they can get a meal like this, and in hard times they need it if they're to survive. The buffalo died in the night. Ten big dragons have gathered to feed. They stripped the buffalo to the bone in just 4 hours.